Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of The House Honey. Today we are looking at the Rose Lawn, and I'm so excited because this is a tiny home, the first ever that I've ever toured. Here's the specs. Everything else is going to be in the info box below. But yeah, this is the first tiny home ever. Usually we do decor, usually we'll do manufactured or even new construction, but this one right here is special. This one is not furnished, so I'm going to tell you guys that ahead of time, but I promise you there is still a lot of really cool stuff that you guys can take a look at and appreciate in this video. So this is the exterior of this tiny home. This is the only one on this lot with a porch. There's a couple more that's going to be coming in the next days or weeks to come. But this is the only one with the porch. And I loved it. It was really, really cute. So I think I'm going to do some more of these as time goes on. And you know what, you guys? Before we even get into the rest of the video, I read your guys' comments. I love them. I love you guys. You guys are literally hilarious. I do guided tours, right? So I do voiceovers. I will do videos that have I'll have a mic while I'm actually recording, and that's what the audio is that is attached to the video. But most of the time, and here we're walking in to this tiny home. Again, it's not furnished, so you have to ignore all of the stuff that's right there. But you guys know how we do. We look past it and we look at the actual house for what it is. So this is the entryway. Well, this is the home because there's not like this is a big chunk of what the actual whole house looks like. So this is the kitchen, living room, dining room, hallway, loft. Aren't tiny homes just so cute though? They are so cute. I definitely want to do more. But okay, before I lose my train of thought, we're going to get into this. But I read your guys' comments, okay? A lot of you guys appreciate the voiceovers. Like, most of you guys love the voiceovers for these videos. And I love that you guys love that. That's why I do it. It's for entertainment. It's kind of what separates me from the rest. You know what I mean? I have to allow my personality to shine. Otherwise, I will kind of fall into the rest of the home tour guided channels. You know what I mean? And that's not to say that they're not special. That's just to say I gotta do me. Okay? I always gotta be me and do me. So I read your guys' comments. This is the kitchen. Love the kitchen too. Dark cabinets, light countertops. Yeah. This one has a loft, so if you see there, the stairs goes up to the top, and it's a pretty good size loft too. I'm gonna show you. But anyway, I talk over these videos. A couple of you guys love it. A couple of you guys just do not, and you guys have let me know that. I'm going to continue to do the voiceover. Okay. Now, if you do not like it, there's a couple options because I do want you guys to stay and watch the videos at least. If you like the content, I would hate for you guys to leave just because my voice is annoying. So you can mute it and then you can still take a look at the video and what all that it is that I'm doing, and you can watch it that way. Or there's like 1,000 other home tour type channels that you guys will probably love that cover the same exact types of houses. Might even cover it in a way that you'll like it, and you can still get the content that you like. But listen, I'm not gonna stop the voiceovers, period, point blank. I podcast for a living. If you guys do know about my podcast, go ahead and check that one out. It's Dissension with Autumn Adams. Maybe I'll drop like some information about that one day, but I'm just telling you guys this to say the voice is staying. This is me. I podcast. I'm a podcaster, meaning I talk, I chat. This is what I do. Okay? And I appreciate the ones who have expressed so much love and support for me doing it this way. Thank you for allowing me to do me and just sticking with me through all of this. You guys are literally the best. And that's all I wanted to say about that. Anyway, this is, what is it? This is the hallway. Now I'm like trying to gather my thoughts back. Okay, we didn't really miss much. You guys seen kind of where we were at, where we were going. So this is the hallway of this little tiny, cute, little adorable home. I don't even have the sizes of the rooms. Like usually I'll put the bedroom sizes and stuff too. I don't have that for this home because it's that tiny. I think I was offending the salesman because I was asking him, I'm like, okay, so is this like, can you use this for camping? And he was just looking at me so surprised, like, no, you live in it. And I know that that's an option, but I'm just thinking, is this transportable just anywhere? Like, can you just hook this up to the back of an RV and just drag it anywhere? Because that's how I picture it. That's how I picture it in my mind. And then I showed a couple other people and they're like, no, I could live in that. I could get some land, park it, and I could really just do my thing and live out of that. It's perfect for me. Now, I'm going to be all the way honest because you guys know I'm going to keep it all the way honest. Here's the bedroom we're walking into right now. Master bedroom. Don't know the specs because it's that tiny, but it's cute. That space right there, it looks small on camera, but you could easily fit like a 65-inch flat screen in that section right there. It would completely take up that space, but I mean, I don't know. If you like big screens, you could fit a big screen right there. That's the wardrobe to the left. Some more space at the bottom. You can pull out some of those drawers. Those are really nice. And then you got those two bedside tables that are part of the construction of the house itself. Like it's built in. That's the floor plan. And then you've got that overhead shelving cabinet type situation going on too. I love manufactured homes. I love new construction homes. I love homes in general. Honestly, I can find a lot to appreciate even about a tiny home, RV park model. That's what this is. A park model RV home by Fairmont. And this is my first one that I'm touring. I may fall in love by the time I am done with this house touring journey. But I don't know, you guys. I'll be honest, it's very small. It's very, very tiny. And I know that that's the point, so please don't roast me in the comment section. But it's almost too small. Like, this would be perfect for, like, and I don't want to offend any of you guys, but I imagine camping in this. Camping. My mom, she's always wanted a tiny home. So some people I know for a fact love it. And if you're by yourself, you're just single and you kind of want to just travel around, and then this is nice. You can pack it up, pick it up, drive it off, and ship it and handle it. And you got everything you need right here in this little home. This is the lounge, not the lounge. What is it? What is it? You guys know what I'm trying to say. What is this called right here? It overlooks the rest of the house. It's like not a den, is it? It's like, it starts with an L. You guys know. Put it in the comment section. Let me know. Educate me, please. But this has that. And I think that is too cute. You could turn this into like a little bedroom bunker area, a place to store additional stuff. You can make it like a little kids playroom, you know, because if they're over 4 feet, that's not gonna work. But a little kids playroom, they can go up there if you feel comfortable. Those stairs right there are steep. I don't know if you guys seen that from the side, but those little stairs right there, oh my God. If you were to fall down that, you might hurt yourself. So you can see, look how steep the stairs are just from the side. It's crazy. But anyway, let me know what you guys liked about this home or what you didn't like, and comment, follow, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next episode of The House Honey. Bye.